What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually use the new browser tagging system to categorize plugins and effects as well. So let's get right into it. So I had a comment from Helen Fisher on my last video talking about the browser, and they were wondering if you can create a tag for compressors and stuff like that. And I just wanted to bring this to attention that it is possible. It's essentially the same way, but it's kind of not really thrown out there. So what you can do is go to all and then go to plugin database. And then here you got your effects, your generators, and then your installed ones, okay? So installed is where your third-party stuff would be, like Omnisphere and your third-party effects as well. Generators are your VSTs, effects are your effects, okay? But it's really simple to create tags for these. So you can literally just go into installed or wherever, whatever effect. We're going to go to Omnisphere and just right click it, and we can add a tag. We can put it in a previous tag right here as VST or any of these, but we're actually going to add a tag and call this best VSTs. All right. All right, so now we can go to tags and we have it under best VSTs. All right. So now we can do that with all of our favorite VSTs, and you can do it with all your favorite effects as well. All right, it's all in the plugin database here. Just find what you want or you're looking for. If it's a third-party one, you go to installed. If it's a default, you just go to the effects and generators folders right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.